Hello everyone, welcome back to Grad to Corporate. In this video, we will be covering the multiple companies like Recruit CRM, CGI, Two-Base Technology, and Jackson. These roles are perfect for both technical and non-technical students. So no matter your background, there's something here for you. So make sure you watch till the end because one of these jobs might be perfect for you. Recruit CRM is a fast growing SaaS company serving the recruitment firms across the globe. They're already operating in over 100 countries and have more than $10 million in the revenue. The company is growing at a very fast, strong pace with the 40% year over year. They're also profitable, which is rare for startup. This makes it very stable and high growth company. This role is for Customer Success Associate and is open for 2026 graduate. The best part is that it's completely remote so you can work from anywhere. These are around 15 openings which increases your chance. Students from any background can apply for this role. So even the non-tech student should definitely consider this opportunity. You will start with a 6 months training program where you will receive 20,000 per month. During this time, you will learn about the product and client handling. Based on your performance, you can get a full time offer. The full time salary is 8 LPA, which is very good for freshers. This makes it one of the best remote opportunity available right now. In this role, your main responsibility will be interacting with the client. You will solve their queries to chat, mail, and video calls. You will also help them to understand how to use the product effectively. Building a strong relationship with the client is also important here. Overall, it's a mix of communication and problem solving skills. This role doesn't require the hardcore coding skills. Instead, it focuses more on communication and problem solving. You should be patient and able to explain things clearly. A strong willingness to learn is very important. If you enjoy interacting with the people, this role is perfect for you. Since the company operates globally, you will have to work in different shifts. Initially, you will work in the Europe shift. Later, you may move to US or APAC shifts. This gives you a global exposure and experience. But make sure you're comfortable with flexible timing. One of the biggest advantage of this role is the benefit. You get to work remotely from anywhere. The company also offers the international retreats in 5-star hotels. There are performance-based bonus as well. Plus, you get access to learning and development program. Next, we have an apprenticeship role at CGI. CGI is one of the largest IT consulting companies in the world. This role is based in Hyderabad and is full time. It's a great opportunity for students interested in IT and consulting. You'll get exposure to the real world projects. Role basic knowledge of SQL is important. They also prefer the candidate with Informatica knowledge. Some understanding of the insurance domain is helpful. However, freshers can still apply with the basic skills. It's more about learning and growth. Now, let's talk about two-based technologies. They're hiring for the associate system engineer role. This role is based in Kochi and focuses on DevSecOps. It's perfect for students interested in infrastructure and cloud. You will work closely with the senior engineers. In this role, you will help in maintaining the servers and system. You will also monitor the performance and ensure everything runs smoothly. Troubleshooting issues will be a part of your job. You will also work on backup and system reliability. This builds a strong technical foundation. Next, we have an AI intern role of Jackson Company in Noida. This is a 6 months internship in data and AI domain. It's perfect for students interested in AI and machine learning. You will work on the edge cutting technologies, and this role is highly future focused. You will work on the Python scripting and data pipeline. You will also experiment with the large language models, typically called LLMs. Building the AI agent will be the part of your work. This is a hands on experience with a real AI system. Great for building a strong AI career. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.